I don't know if you can hear this, but the lavender plants there's bees everywhere. So when you crouch down to be on the level, you can hear this buzzing. It's really pleasant. Hi everybody! We are here today at Stringtown Farm and Winery, and it's a lavender farm. And this place is amazing. How beautiful is this? You can walk through the fields of lavender and cut your own bushels. So we're here to check it out, try some wine, and they actually make cheese and fudge. So I'm excited to be here. Didn't you tell me if I pick one at a time we could be here all day? That's okay though. We also learned to smell the lavender. It's not necessarily like the flower, it's actually on the stem. So you can take a stem and run your finger along it, and it's so fragrant.
I never knew much about the varieties of lavender that you can have, but there's different varieties and different rows at this particular farm, and it's so interesting because while they all have that distinct lavender aroma, there is a variation. You can definitely tell that there's variation between different types of lavender. He said that he has one variety of lavender that's a French type of lavender, and while all lavender is edible, this is a specific one used for culinary applications, and it is probably the most mild. We are tasting the little seed part of the lavender, and it's unique. It has that lavender flavor. It definitely ends a little bitter, like a raw plant. It's still pleasant. I think the best, where you have this really full, broad seed pod, I guess is what that is.
It's beautiful.
It is
like
cool.
A big bloom. This is my favorite color. It's just so pretty. This is like a jacaranda tree. That smells good. And the man that runs the place, his name is John, and he said if you're wanting to pick where some bees are, you just rustle the bush a little bit to gently let them fly to the next bush.
So pretty.
It's gorgeous.
We are at the Rainforest here on the northwest corner of Mt Rainier National Park, and it is truly unique.
It's the Carbon River Rainforest, so this is one of the few temperate rainforests, so it's a little different than the rainforest on the other side of the equator. But it's cooler, lots of moss. It's beautiful back here. We're on a really short loop.
You know, in our time in these forests, all over the West. We've seen, I think, similar plant life where they're really rugged, they're durable, they've meant to not need very much water. But now that we are here in this rainforest, we're seeing tons of ferns, tons of moss,
Mushrooms.
lots of mushrooms, and tons of just really broadleaf green plants. So it is really cool. I mean, the entire forest floor is covered. It seems impossible to trek through this if you didn't have a path.
The path itself, they have a boardwalk that we are on, but it's, in disrepair. I think it's hard to keep it up because everything's so wet here. But we're standing
It would
on
be
some
tough to
boards
maintain
that
it.
lift you above just constant flowing water. But there are a lot of bugs that are coming out.
It's definitely getting a little buggy.
Yeah, it's
We're
like they let everyone
here.
know we were here.
What time is it? It's about 7
It's almost
p.m.
7.
So we're here at a later part of the afternoon, heading into dusk. But it is absolutely gorgeous.
It's
No doubt
a
about it.
beautiful place here.